Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here today. If you're seeking to unlock the secrets of manifestation, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore a profound truth: you can manifest anything by surrendering yourself to it. Yes, surrender. This word might seem counterintuitive when we talk about manifestation. However, it is through this very act of letting go that we align ourselves with the abundant universe around us. Now, what does it mean to surrender? In our fast-paced world, we often equate surrender with giving up, as if we're relinquishing control. But surrender, in this context, is quite the opposite. It's about releasing the need to force things to happen according to our own limited understanding. It's an invitation to trust the process, to have faith in our innate power, and to allow our desires to unfold naturally. When you surrender, you open yourself up to the infinite possibilities that the universe offers. Imagine a river flowing effortlessly, navigating around rocks and bends. It does not struggle, it simply moves with the current. Similarly, when you align your thoughts and feelings with your desires, you become like that river. You begin to trust that what you want is already on its way to you. This mindset creates a fertile ground for your intentions to manifest. Now, let's talk about the role of imagination in this process. Your imagination is a powerful tool, it shapes your reality. When you visualize your desires, you're not just daydreaming, you're engaging in a profound act of creation. Picture your dreams as if they're already happening. Feel the emotions that arise from achieving those dreams. This isn't merely wishful thinking, it's an essential part of the manifestation process. It's important to note that your feelings are the key to unlocking the door to your desires. When you align your emotional state with the feeling of having what you want, you send a clear signal to the universe. This emotional alignment is what draws your desires closer to you. So, as you visualize, immerse yourself in the joy and gratitude of already possessing your desires. This practice strengthens your connection to what you wish to manifest. Surrendering to your desires also involves letting go of the how. This can be challenging, especially if you've been conditioned to believe that you must control every aspect of your life. However, the truth is that you don't need to know how your desires will manifest. The universe operates on principles beyond our understanding, and it's often more magnificent than we can imagine. When you let go of the how, you make space for miraculous possibilities to emerge. Think about it: when you cling tightly to your desires, you may inadvertently create resistance. This resistance can manifest as doubt, anxiety, or fear, which only serves to push your desires further away. By surrendering, you dismantle this resistance and allow the energy of your intentions to flow freely. The more you practice this surrender, the more effortless the manifestation process becomes. As you begin on this journey of surrender, it's crucial to cultivate a mindset of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful vibration that aligns you with abundance. When you express gratitude for what you have, you invite more goodness into your life. This shift in perspective transforms your focus from lack to abundance. You begin to see opportunities and blessings that were previously hidden from your view. Moreover, thinking about gratitude strengthens your connection to your desires. When you feel grateful for what you're manifesting, you reinforce the belief that it is already yours. This belief is essential, as it creates a magnetic pull that attracts your desires to you. As you cultivate gratitude, you'll notice that the universe responds in kind, showering you with more reasons to feel thankful. Now, let's discuss the importance of belief in the manifestation process. Your beliefs shape your reality. If you believe that you can manifest your desires, you're already on the right path. However, if doubts creep in, they can hinder your progress. Recognizing and addressing these limiting beliefs is essential for creating a strong foundation for manifestation. Challenge those negative thoughts and replace them with empowering affirmations. Affirmations are powerful tools for rewiring your subconscious mind. By consistently affirming your worthiness and ability to manifest, you reinforce a positive self-image. Speak kindly to yourself and remind yourself of your inherent power. As you affirm your desires, you'll find that they start to feel more attainable and real. This shift in perception will further strengthen your connection to what you wish to create. The act of surrender also invites you to think of the present moment fully. Often, we find ourselves trapped in worries about the future or regrets about the past. This mental distraction can hinder our ability to manifest. However, when you focus on the present, you become more aware of the opportunities around you. Think of each moment as a chance to align with your desires. This presence fosters a sense of calm and clarity, allowing your intentions to take root. As you continue on this journey, be patient with yourself. Manifestation is not an overnight process, it requires time, practice, and a willingness to trust. There may be moments of frustration or doubt, and that's perfectly normal. Acknowledge those feelings without judgment, then gently redirect your focus back to your intentions. Each time you practice surrender, you strengthen your ability to manifest. As you learn to surrender and manifest, you may notice synchronicities appearing in your life. These moments of alignment are signs that you are on the right track. Pay attention to these signs and trust that the universe is guiding you toward your desires. Celebrate these small victories, for they are stepping stones toward your larger goals. In moments of uncertainty, return to the practice of visualization and gratitude. Reconnect with the emotions tied to your desires and remind yourself of the power you possess. When you cultivate a strong emotional connection to your goals, you reinforce your alignment with the universe. This connection is what allows your desires to unfold effortlessly. As we get deeper into this topic, let's explore the concept of detachment. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring about your desires, rather, it's about letting go of the need for specific outcomes. When you attach too strongly to a particular result, you may inadvertently create pressure and stress. Instead, trust that the universe will deliver what you need in the best way possible. This sense of detachment fosters a sense of freedom, allowing you to think of whatever comes your way. Think of detachment as a form of self-love. By releasing your grip on expectations, you create space for growth and discovery. You open yourself up to new possibilities that you may not have considered before. This practice encourages you to remain flexible and adaptable, making it easier to navigate the ever-changing landscape of life. Note that you are co-creating your reality with the universe. While your desires are valid and important, the universe may have a greater plan in store for you. Think of the idea that your journey is not solely about the destination, it's about the experiences and lessons learned along the way. Each moment contributes to your growth, shaping you into the person you're meant to become. As we wrap up our discussion on the power of surrender in manifesting your dreams, it's essential to acknowledge the incredible potential that resides within each of you. The journey of manifestation is one of self-discovery, growth, and realization of your inherent abilities. By learning to trust the process and surrender your desires to the universe, you open the door to a life filled with abundance and joy. Always note that manifestation is not merely about material gain, it's about aligning yourself with your highest purpose. As you pursue your goals, allow your passions and desires to guide you. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, orchestrating events and opportunities that align with your intentions. Engaging with this process requires a commitment to self-care and self-love. Taking time for yourself, practicing gratitude, and nurturing positive relationships will amplify your ability to manifest. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you, as this supportive energy can propel you forward on your path. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset, so choose to cultivate a space that reflects your aspirations. While challenges may arise, note that these moments are simply part of the journey. View them as opportunities to strengthen your resolve and refine your intentions. Each setback can lead to valuable insights and revelations, guiding you closer to your desires. In closing, I invite you to take a moment to reflect on the dreams and aspirations that reside within you. Trust in your ability to manifest them and remain open to the infinite possibilities that life has to offer. You possess the power to create your reality, and the universe is here to support you every step of the way. If you found value in this message today, I encourage you to show your appreciation by liking this video. Your engagement helps spread the message of empowerment and manifestation to others who may benefit from it. Additionally, consider subscribing to this channel for more inspiring content. Let's continue this journey together. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're applying these principles in your life. Note, you have the power to manifest anything you desire by surrendering yourself to the process. Thank you for being here, and let's keep the conversation going.